How about some Cajun barbecue? Cajun our new barbecue. His name's Bones over in Independence, Louisiana. He sent me some stuff I'm fixing to show you. And I'm fixing to show you my sticker boards here in a minute. I got 3 of them because y'all are awesome. Yeah. Alright, what his channel's about? Cajun barbecue. Outdoor Cajun barbecue. Freaking awesome, isn't it? So, his channel, you know what? Just watch this while I go open all this stuff up and we'll be right back.
Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Our New Barbecue. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. Well, I'm from Louisiana, home of Cajun and Creole cooking. And ever since I was young, my dad got me in the kitchen and taught me everything that he knew about Cajun and Creole cooking. And I loved it so much. Just like, over the last 20 years, I've learned everything that I possibly could about how to grill, smoke, and barbecue. And I've loved that just as much. So I decided to make a YouTube channel and put it out there for everybody to see. So I hope y'all come along for the journey, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, and have a good day.
Check my boards out. Yeah, they fell over. Yeah, I got 3 of them. Isn't that awesome? I got one of his stickers. Check that out. Yeah, we'll be putting that on the sticker board. I got a couple of these, which was his old stickers before he changed his name. And then he sent me a patch, and he gave me a Royal Oak sticker. Check that out. He sent me some $2 off any bag Royal Oak. That's pretty cool. 3 more items. He sent me a hat. It's still his old logo though. Did I tell you his name's Bones? He goes by Bones. And he got me some Millionaire's Rub. Straight from Germany. We'll be trying this on something for sure. Last but not least, he gave me, it's a flag. We got Uncle Steve's flag. We got Texas flag. Papa doesn't have a flag. I got signs all over the place. So we'll be putting this up. I'll probably just put it up over here. You'll see it in the background at times. I don't know. Maybe you'll send me the new one, unless that is a new one. I don't know. I appreciate you. I'd appreciate y'all to go over there and check out 1 or 2 of his cooks. And subscribe to him. And hit that bell. Hit my bell. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. That's what I need. I really do. Anyway, go check out Bones, Independence, Louisiana. Cajun, our new barbecue, outdoor cooking, like Papa, Texas. He's got some really good cooks over there. All right, I'd appreciate you go over there and support them. All right, y'all have a great rest of the week. We'll see y'all Sunday. Yeah. Wow.